Good morning, grade 9. Today we're going to talk about how to solve equations from word problem that it's talking about money. So we have an example here saying that May bought an MP3 player for $105. She paid for it with $5 bills and $20 bills. If she used 6 more $5 bills, then $20 bills, how many were there of each? To solve this type of problem, we need to know something very important from the beginning, that the total that I have equal to the value of $5 bills times the number of $5 bills. If I have two, let's say, bills, 2 times 5 is going to give me $10, and so on. And this one, I'm going to add it to the value of the $20 bills, and this is easy, it's $20, times the number of the $20 bills. So if I have 3, let's say this is the number, 3 bills, 3 times 20 is going to give me $60. So if I can find this equation, it's going to solve my problem. However, you see here that it's only one equation. That means you need to use only one variable. And this is very important to understand. So here, under total, I have $105. The value of $5 bills, it's $5. Time, I'm going to use a variable plus the $20 bill value, it's 20, time I have to use variable here. If I'm going to use x and y, I will have 2 unknown and I have only one equation. It's impossible to solve this problem. So I have to find a variable that I can use it here and here, and it's only one variable. Therefore, I'm going to say what? Let x equal, let's say, the number of $20 bills. So this is easy right away. I can insert here x. But I have a problem if I need to know the number of $5 bills. How am I going to find it? Here is the key. This one is the key word of my problem. If she used 6 more $5 bills than $20 bills. So if the number of the $20 bills is x, that means x plus 6, this is going to be the number of the $5 bills, because she said if she used 6 more $5 bills than $20 bills. Therefore, here I'm going to write x plus 6. And from here, you see something very nice, that I have only x as an unknown. And one unknown, one equation, really I can solve the problem. So if I continue with this one, I can say what? I can say I need to use a distributive property here. So it's going to be 105 equal 5x plus 5 times 6 equal 30, plus I have right away 20x. Now I can combine all the x like terms together in one side, and in the other side, the constant number. So 105, I need to switch the 30 to the other side. It's going to be negative 30 equal to 5x plus 20x. And from here, I'm going to find 25x equal to 5 and here 7. So that means I have 75 equal 25x. For sure, you know, from solving the equation, I need to isolate x. Therefore, I divide by 25. From here, I can find that 75 divided by 25 equals 3, equal to x. That means from here, I can say that the number of $20 bills is 3. And if I need the number of $5 bills, it's going to be right away this 3 plus 6, which is 9. Now, if I need to use a verification, I want to verify my work if it's right or not. So I can do something like that. I can write verification. Really, if I have $3 bills of 20, that means 20 times 3. And I add that to 9 $5 bills, equal to what? Equal to 60 plus 45. And if I add these two, it's going to give me $105. And this is right as from the beginning, May bought an MP3 player for $105. So I hope that you understood how we can find the equation to solve this type of problem. Thank you for listening.